Assalamu alaikum girls. Today I'm going to show you how to do my eggplant. And these are what you're going to need to make it. It's an easy dish. A couple of eggplants, a pepper, some tomato paste, or I'm sorry, that's tomato sauce, salt and pepper, and garlic. And I'm going to show you the steps. I have peeled and sliced the eggplant. It's about half an inch thick, I guess. And I'm soaking it in salt water. If you soak it in salt water, when you fry it in the oil, it doesn't take up as much oil. Just a little helpful tip. Okay, now for the second step of our eggplant. I've removed the eggplant from the salt water, and now I have it on a paper towel, and I'm draining the excess water off of it. In this pan, I'm heating up about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You don't have to use olive oil, I just happen to like olive oil. And then I also have another plate ready with a paper towel on it, because once I brown my eggplant in this oil, I'll show you, I am going to put it on the paper towel so that I can drain any excess oil that I can, because I don't know if you've ever cooked eggplant before, but eggplant is just like a sponge and it absorbs everything. So I'm going to brown these really good on both sides, and then I'm going to put it on the paper towel, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, so this is what the eggplant looks like when you are done. Then at this point you take your green pepper. Okay, just a second, baby. And you make you cut it up into strips. Put it in the bottom of your baking dish and make like a bed to lay the eggplant on. Then you're going to take the eggplant and layer it in the dish. Just like this. Alright. And you can use the bigger pieces and then fill it in with the smaller pieces. I'll let you see it when I finish. This is a 6-ounce can of tomato sauce. A tablespoon of minced garlic, half of a teaspoon of pepper, and a teaspoon of salt. And I'm just going to add about a tablespoon of hot water to it. And I'm going to mix this together. This is going to go on the top of the eggplant. Alright. It's that easy. Okay. Alright, now this is what the eggplant looks like once you assemble it in the dish. Like I said, you just put the chopped pepper on the bottom, and then you layer the eggplant in. And it doesn't matter if there's a few pieces laying on top of the other ones or whatever. Then we're going to take our tomato sauce mixture, and we're going to spoon it, or basically pour it in on top of our eggplant. Okay. And this doesn't have to be perfect either. Just try to get some on each one of them. And then it's going to go into the oven. Alright. Now, when you put this in the oven, it's going to go in about 350, and you just want to put it in there long enough for the green pepper that's at the bottom to soften. Right, thanks. My sister's videoing for me. Okay, but just for it to soften, and then it'll be done. So that'll probably take about 20-25 minutes. Alright, I'll let you see it when it's done. Okay, here is the finished eggplant. It was roasted in the oven for about 25 minutes, and this is what it looks like when it's done.